Welcome to Excel Master TZ, where you will learn different functions and the formulas in Excel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to master the SUMIF function in Excel as well as logic condition. We will cover the basic syntax of the functions as well as the advanced tips and tricks for using it effectively in various scenarios. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced Excel user, this video will help you improve your data analysis skills and making the most function SUMIF function and the logic condition. Now I'm going to show you how to use SUMIF function which contain logic condition. This one, for example, I have not equal to. The combination of less than and greater than, when combined together in Excel, they mean that not equal to. So not equal to is this one. This symbol means not equal to. So when I put less than or greater than in Dodoma, it means not equal to Dodoma, not equal to Singida, not equal to Mbeya, not equal to Songwe, not equal to Pwani. Yes, now I want to sum up data in column B which corresponded to the data in column A which is not equal to Dodoma. Summation of data in column B corresponding with the data in column A which is not equal to Dodoma. Also, summation of data in column B corresponding with data in column A which is not equal to Singida as well as to Mbeya, Songwe and Pwani. By do so, enter equal sign, then SUMIF. After that, drag the range. In this range, I want to select my criteria which is not equal to Dodoma, comma. After that, I will sum up. So the region which is not equal to Dodoma, I will sum up them in column B. I will sum up them in column B. After that, I have done with this formula, so I can close my range, so as when I drag, my range will not move. Yes, so this is the sum of data in column B which corresponds to the data in column A which is not equal to Dodoma. The same as when I drag in this way. So this is the sum of data in column A and column B correspond to the data in column A which is not equal to Singida. Also this one is the sum of data in column B which is not equal to Mbeya. This one sum of value in column B which is not equal to Songwe, as well as this one is the sum of data in column B which is not equal to Pwani. So I can modify this formula. Let's say start another formula. I can modify the formula. So I want now to sum up the data in column B which is not equal either to, which is not equal to 100. Also another one not equal to 1000. Also not equal to 2000. Not equal to 3000. Not equal to 4000. Yes, so this means that I want to sum up the value in column B which is not equal to 100. So the value in column B which is not equal to 100 is all this. So the summation of all this data we get this one, we excluded 100 because our condition is to sum of the value which is not equal to 100. Also, this is a sum of data in column B which is not equal to 1000. So I have excluded. Where is 1000? We don't have 1000 in this column. So all data or all value in this column, yes, exclude this one. This one you have excluded this one. So sum up this data from this one to this. So that is how SUMIF function work when combined with the logic condition. Please subscribe in order to get other videos. Also comment, like and share. Thank you for watching this video.